This is more difficult than I thought.
Je m'appelle Rémi.
Je m'appelle Mizuki et c'est peer
Peer
review. Most likely to start a club just to make more friends.
Okay. Oh, interesting. Interesting.
So we're playing this?
I guess we will have to.
Okay, great.
Okay, let's see if I'm as lucky. Oh, there we go. Perfect.
Not bad.
Most likely to say, I'll start the assignment tonight and mean the day before it's due. Well, it's not most likely to, it's more so has already done. Let me go for the bubbles here. Good.
Okay.
Perfect.
Most likely to survive on nothing but iced coffee and vibes. I'm more confident about this one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Me too. I don't drink coffee at all.
Okay, so...
Like at all. We're a great team. That's,
Okay. Wait.
Ooh. I'm gonna go for the same one.
Okay.
Got it.
Amazing.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Who's most likely to accidentally send a screenshot to the person they screenshotted? You can't get caught if you don't screenshot, I guess. So most likely to wave at someone who wasn't waving at them.
We gotta get this right.
We need one right.
It's half right. So you thought someone was waving at you, but then it was actually someone else behind you.
Oh, sure, like once a week. And I thought, you know what? Odds are you too.
I also have to confess that I've done something similar. Okay.
That's as close as we're probably gonna get.
Yeah. Most likely to walk into the wrong classroom and join the class anyway so that they don't have to walk back out. I just thought maybe you're the type of person who also doesn't want to disturb the peace.
I've never done this, but hearing it out loud, I kind of want to walk into a random class and kind of like sit in and see how long it takes the professor to figure out I'm not a student there.
The next one, we'll get this.
So most likely to accidentally send a personal text to the class group chat. Yes, that's a point. There we go. There we go.
got it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's a point.
I feel like we're both careful.
So most likely to turn a 10-minute walk into a 30-minute detour for gossip.
Oh, okay. I thought you didn't really like gossiping.
I don't know anymore. I think, going to Switzerland, it's like, well, what else there else to do?
I really like walking around and exploring, and that's why I went abroad as well. But I don't like gossiping, so... This is more difficult than I thought. Our last one is most likely to make a group chat and then never respond in it. We don't get this.
I guess I really got to know you over the course of one semester.
Because clearly didn't know each other.
Yeah.